Are your makeup brushes compromising the health of your skin? To understand how unsanitary makeup brushes can compromise the health of your skin, you need to be aware of the contamination cycle. Step 1 of the contamination cycle. You cleanse, you tone, you moisturise. You have a regular regime and invest in your skin, but you could be undermining all your effort if you're applying your makeup with unsanitary makeup brushes. Step 2. Even if you are maintaining a good skin regime, it is futile if your makeup brushes are not hygienically clean. Makeup brushes are a breeding ground for spot-causing bacteria. They also harbour viruses such as hairplay simplex, responsible for cold sores and fungal infections such as ringworm. Step 3. With every single makeup application, unsanitary makeup brushes reintroduce bacteria and germs along with dirt and oils to your freshly cleansed skin. Step 4. The result? The continual reintroduction of dirt, oil, germs and bacteria, particularly the P. acnes bacteria responsible for acne, causes congestion, pustules and inflammation. So you invest in a skincare regime, apply your makeup, and the contamination cycle continues. Break the cycle with Isoclean Makeup Brush Cleaner. Isoclean quickly and effectively cleanses brushes. Its fast-drying formula eliminates dirt, pigment and harmful bacteria and viruses in seconds, leaving brushes hygienically clean. Make Isoclean an essential part of your skincare regime.